Today I am Arya.
And I am Sakur.
We want to do an English project segment with the topic expressing sympathy. Hey Sakur, long time no see. How are you?
Hey Arya, not too good. Just lost my job last week.
Seriously? How can you lose your job? I know you really like your current job.
I don't know Arya. Suddenly the company just fired me without any clear reason.
Did you make any mistake while working until you were just fired?
Doesn't so to be there. I always follow instructions well when working.
Is it possible that there is someone who doesn't like you, which means you can just be fired by the company?
I don't know Arya, but if it's true, I want Isli to reply.
You don't need to be emotional like this, Shakur. I know this makes you angry and disappointed, but you have to remain patient in dealing with it.
I understand Arya, but why does he have to be like that to me? I always behave good to everyone.
Maybe they don't like your achievement at the company, which makes it difficult for them to compete with you. That's why you were treated badly by them to the point where you were just fired by the company.
But with an incident like this, I lost everything. Arya, I lost my income. Three are my parents and your siblings that I have to support.
I know this is very hard for you, but you can have a grudge against anyone. You must still try to be kind to anyone. If you retaliate against them, it won't change anything about you.
Yes, Arya, what you are saying is also true. If I reply to them, it will not change my current fate and will actually make it even more difficult for me. So what? So I don't know, Arya.
You have to start everything again. You have to try again. This is not the end of everything. I know it's not that easy to get a new job, but I'm sure if you try again, you can soon get a new and better job.
Thank you, Arya. Because you want to advise me, I can give up to be able to start everything again. I have a family that I have to support.
That's right. You have to keep the enthusiasm to life lifetime. What are you currently doing? Have you update your resume?
Not yet, Arya, but as soon as I feel I will update my resume.
Hurry up and do it. You have a lot of skill and experience. Surely, many companies will still want to accept you to work.
Okay, Arya, I'll do that right away. Oh yeah, how are you, Arya, right now?
I'm still working at my old place. I love working there. The people there are so kind to me, and the boss does already trust me.
God, if you still working now, oh yes, I think I see you have never posted anything intimate with your partner. Where is he now?
I'm not with him anymore. If broken up with him,
Is that true? I see you really, I love him, and I wish you really love him sincerely.
what you see is only good. I always fight with him. There are a lot of problems in my relationship with him.
If I may ask, what made your relation fall apart?
I've seen him with other people without my knowledge, and what worse is that has been caught cheating 3 times with different people behind my back.
I really can't believe that he actually tried to do this that behind your back.
Yes, at first it was like that. I always gave him opportunities many times, but it turned out that those opportunities actually become toys for him, and maybe it was because your egos were equally strong that made my relationship fall apart.
I'm sorry to hear this, Arya, but don't keep thinking about him all the time. He never thinks about your feeling. But why do you always think about this feeling? You are too keen, Arya. Don't let other people take advantage of your kin.
Yes, thank you. I understand. It's just that sometimes I feel afraid to get lost woman. I'm afraid that the woman who try to approach me will turn out to do the same things as in my past. If often feel trust, I issue about everything.
I know this hard, Arya, but try to believe in yourself that not all women have the same characteristics, and you also have to always pay attention to your partner so that things don't happen that you don't want.
Yes, thank you for that. Told me about this. Oh yeah. How are you with him?
Well, the end I are still worried, Arya. I am afraid our realistic parents won't be able to accept that order. Plus, right now, I'm not working.
But your relationship is fun, right?
Thanks, good. Always be fine, Arya.
That's good then. Immediately look for a job and meet his parents. You won't know the result if you haven't tried.
Yes, Arya. But before I meet her parents, I have to get a job first so I can have money.
Sometimes life has its trial. Sometimes we are at the top. Sometimes we are the bottom. Sometimes everything goes this smoothly. Sometimes everything is definitely very unpredictable.
Yes, Arya. All we can do is try to keep everything normal.
Sometimes when I remember when we were in college, it was unfun, right? There were lots of happy things we got when we were at college. We could laugh together, get dizzy and cry together. But now we are all on your own.
Yes, Arya. Sometimes I always dream about all college day. Three are so many things and appreciate that you got the some, but now everything is your own. Now everything is focused on ourselves.
Yes, the older we get, the harder the life we live is. It's only right for people my parents used to tell me to be a successful person. It turns out that when we are in trouble, no one comes to help, and when we are happy, lots of people come and need your help.
Yes, Arya, but I hope we continue to connect, stay, and start until we are old. When we are living with your family, don't let us not communicate with us other anymore.
Yes, thanks. I hope your friendship continues. By the way, it's already late. Thanks. I have to work tomorrow morning. You have to keep your enthusiasm up. Don't postpone any of your tasks because you have to start all over again.
Ready, Arya? You also can be son anymore just because woman.
Ha, okay, Shakur. I say goodbye. Thank you.
Yes, Arya. Be careful on the road. Thank you too.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Arya Putra. Today I will present about what is gerund. What are gerunds? A gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun. A gerund is created by adding the suffix "ing" to the base form of a verb. Like all nouns, gerunds can be used as subject, object of verb, object of preposition, or complement. For example, 1. Swimming is permitted in the lake, subject of is. 2. I had running, object of the verb had. 3. I was accepted after learning some Italian, object of the for preposition after. 4. Her passion is dancing. Complement of the subject her passion. Properties of gerund. Unlike a normal noun, a gerund maintains some verb-like properties. For example, like a verb, a gerund can take a direct object and be modified with a verb. Example properties of a gerund. Drinking a flagon. The gerund drinking has a direct object, a flagon. Driving erratically. The gerund driving is modified with adverb and erratically. Regularly visiting the hospital. The gerund visiting is the modified with adverb regularly and has a direct object, the hospital. Example of gerunds. Like I'll announce, a gerund can function in one of four ways. Here is an example of each was by using the gerund visiting. The subjecting of a verb. Visiting New York is always an experience. Visiting is the subject of the verb. The object of a verb. I love visiting New York. Visiting is the direct object of the verb love. The subject of proposition. I surprised them by visiting New York. Visiting is the object of the preposition by. A subject complement. My highlight was visiting New York. Visiting is a subject complement. It completes the linking was a rename the subject, making it a subject complement. Gerund process. A gerund will off with the head a gerund phrase. A gerund phrase underlined consists of a gerund, its object, and all modifier. For example, eating blackberries quickly will make you ill. Here the gerund process consists of the gerund eating, the direct object blackberries, and the adverb quickly. I like to play blackjack. I'm not addicted to gambling. I'm addicted to sitting in Simmerka. Comedian Mitch Hedberg. Here the first gerund gambling does not have a gerund phrase, but the second sitting does. The process in the Simmerka is an adverb. Gerund or participle. Even though all gerunds end with the suffix "ing", not every word which ends "ing" is a gerund. The other common type of words which end in the present participle, like gerunds present participle, are also formed from verb, making them verbal, but they are not used as nouns. They are used as adjective, or when forming verb in a progress tensive. For example, 1. Running the tap will clear the air pocket. This is a gerund. 2. Can you fix the running tap? This is a present participle as an adjective. 3. The tap was running for an hour. This is a present participle used to form the past progressive tense. Why gerunds are important? Using gerunds and gerund process come easily to native English speaker, and as a rule, the gerunds do not cause many writing issues. In fact, gerunds come so easily to native speaker. You can use them to create natural flowing sentence. Key point: the replacement of a normal noun with a gerund can help with the creation of a shorter, smoother sentence. Or using gerunds. Replacing a normal noun with a gerund can help with creating a shorter, smoother sentence. Thank you for my presentation.